Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a fuel line without a specialized tool. Before you begin, always ensure your engine is completely cool and the fuel system is depressurized. Safety is paramount, so wear appropriate gear like gloves and eye protection. Have a suitable catch pan ready to collect any fuel spills. This preparation takes only a few moments but prevents potential hazards and messes, making the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's locate the fuel line you need to disconnect. It's typically found near the engine's fuel rail or a fuel filter. Once identified, take a moment to clean the surrounding area. This simple step prevents dirt or debris from entering your fuel system, which is crucial for engine health. Finally, gently push the line inward towards the fitting. This can help release any minor tension, making the next step easier. Here's the easy method. Using your thumb and forefinger, firmly squeeze the two plastic tabs located on the fuel line connector. These tabs are designed to release the internal locking mechanism. While maintaining that firm squeeze, gently pull the fuel line straight off the fitting. Apply steady, even pressure. If it feels a bit stubborn, try wiggling it slightly back and forth while still pressing the tabs and pulling. It should come off with a little persistence. After successfully removing the fuel line, take a moment to inspect the O-rings and the fitting for any signs of damage or wear. When you're ready to reinstall, ensure the fuel line clicks securely into place. This audible click confirms a proper, sealed connection. Finally, after reassembly and repressurizing your fuel system, perform a thorough double check for any leaks. This ensures everything is safe and functioning correctly, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.